Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, May 18th, 2026. Today we'll cover market moves across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. The major U.S. indexes presented a mixed picture. The S&P 500 index ended at 7,403.10, down 5.39 points. The Dow 30 index closed up at 49,686.11, gaining 159.93 points, whereas the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 134.40 to finish at 26,090.73. A closer look at market breadth reveals a mixed signal. The S&P 500 saw 354 advances against 135 declines. The Dow 30 had more advancers at 23 over 7 decliners. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq displayed a slight imbalance with 1,359 advances over 1,519 declines, indicating varied participation. Looking at total and daily returns, the S&P 500 showed a positive month-to-date return of 2.69% in M149, a strong year-to-date return of 8.15%. The Dow 30 delivered a week-to-date total return of 0.32% and a modest year-to-date return of 3.38%. In the sectors, energy led with a remarkable increase, closing up 1.8% and continuing a very strong positive trend. Consumer defensive contributed positively with a 1.3% rise. Financial services and real estate showed modest gains, while healthcare marked a 0.42% increase, but suffered from a mixed negative trend. The technology sector faced a drop of 0.97%, while industrials decreased by 0.41%. Consumer cyclical and basic materials sectors endured consistent downswing trends, with the latter experiencing a slide for 5 days in a row. Utilities showed a slight gain, but remained under a strong negative trend. In global markets, the Poland ETF led with a 2.5% gain, followed closely by Norway, Germany, and the United Kingdom, each rising by approximately 2.3%. Sweden had a 1.8% increase, despite a backdrop of strong negative trends and recent stability. On returns, the Norway ETF exhibits a remarkable year-to-date performance with over a 31.3% return. Poland maintains strong monthly returns at a 3.35% advance, while Sweden lags slightly with a modest 0.39% year-to-date return, indicating diverse global market sentiment. Today in technology, Apple closed at 297.84, down by 2.39, despite showing a very strong positive trend. Alphabet closed slightly lower at 393.11, but hit an all-time intraday high. Amazon closed up at 264.86, continuing its robust upward momentum.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 77,090.25, slipping by 317.34 in today's trade, as it continues a 4-day downward streak with a mixed negative trend. Ethereum is also down, trading at 2,125.33, falling by 4.41, showing a strong downward trend and volatility. Meanwhile, BNB is hovering around 644.36, with a slight dip of 4.73. Solana dollars the trend, inching upwards to 85.21 amidst a stronger negative trend. Finally, Dogecoin is sitting at 0.1049, shedding 0.0040 with some downward volatility. Examining recent returns, Bitcoin is down 0.41% for the week, but up over 1% for the month, despite a year-to-date decline of 11.89%. Ethereum has dropped significantly, down 28.36% year to date, with mounting downward volatility. On the other hand, BNB has a positive monthly return of 4.74%, although it remains 25.39% down for the year. Solana experienced a 2.6% increase this month, yet faces a 31.53% decline in 2026. Lastly, Dogecoin plummeted over 3% this week, contributing to an overall 10.57% year-to-date dip.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is experiencing downward pressure across key currencies. Against the euro, it is currently at 0.8576, down 0.3%. Similarly, the dollar is down 0.9% against the British pound at 0.7443, experiencing strong volatility over the last 5 days.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.